This one I'm just gonna get rid of. There's no point. Like really no point. See if the market's gonna start turning. This was a lot of volume. This one's on the third. Yeah, fuck that. Mm. Oh, 10:08. My God. Sold that for 387. Because root, this is just a false breakout. All right. Am I in anything else? Alibaba. I'm in that one long term, and that's something I think I can hold, but I'm not gonna like five. That's two. Yeah, it's almost 1,000, I think. Right? No, I think that's a tough one. But this is, you know, let the market play the market. I think I could definitely enter Qs as a longer term trade. Look at what the market's doing now. Sort of making this hammer, right? Like we just got bought up. That's such a fake out. I'm gonna go long Qs via credit spread here. What would be my low? Like that's bro, that's pretty annoying. But excuse me. I mean, you do the analysis and then boom. IWM, that's really annoying. But I mean, it looks like that's just the market doing what the market wants to do. Just be patient. The truth will out. I had to get out of that. That shit was going down, my break even. I'm just gonna keep watching right now. INW could be a potential long. I might go long here. I'm definitely thinking about going long here. You know, funny how we're just breaking down with Qs. IWM is a trade, as well as if we hold this 200, which we're doing, that could be a potential trade. Let me go long here, and then I can have my really quick stop loss. Let's go 1 day to expiration. Let's go 2 days to expiration. All right, I'm long INW at this level. I'm playing this bounce on the 200 moving average. If we could reclaim this 5 and then keep going high. I did the analysis of the trade of why I like this breakout. Right now, we just filled the gap. And then we came in with this hammer as well, right? This piercing candle. So my play is just hopefully we continue up to 206, sort of playing that hammer right there, playing this piercing pattern. Probably something that I could hold. Yeah. So right, still long IWM. Yeah, let's see if we could just continue to ride this back up. We just filled the gap here. Hopefully we just have some continuation. We have the shooting star bouncing on that 50. Yeah, let's see if we can continue riding. Mm, 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 mm. I want to go long NDX as well. I should have did that credit spread. Yeah, NDX. NDX, I'm gonna go long via credit spread. Um, Alright, and then I'm long NDX as well. But let's just look at the overall market, see what the market is doing. We'll check the IWM trade as well. Um, so this is the trade here. We like this hammer. Definitely some resistance on the day. Uh, we essentially filled that gap twice, right? I wish we filled it once and then continued higher, but it looks like we got it twice. Um, yeah, it's definitely a trade I want to continue to hold for the day. Right. Just hopefully bulls can continue to push up, which is what we're doing. I really like this hammer because we made this hammer on support as well. So, and we have a trend line break. So this is looking like a good trade. It's looking like a really good trade right now. How much am I up? Okay, not bad. Not bad. Hopefully the market could just stay in our favor. You know what I'm saying? But we have the moving averages coming in our direction, so that's good. That's why the credit spread makes sense. IWM, really good candle. See, that's why I like seeing, right? That's why I really like seeing. And we had this trend line break right here. Boom. Right. Had the trend line break and we had the piercing candle. So, and we had the double bottom. Like that's an A plus setup right there. So even if we retrace, perhaps we retrace back to this candle and then go make new highs. But even if you look at the moving averages, this is probably something I can continue to size in, right? Like, do I add more to this trade? But I don't think so. I think I just continue to let my profits run and, you know, hope the market is in my favor. But really good trade right now. Now the question is, where do I take this trade? Right? Do I want to take profits right here? This will be the 50% retracement, or do I think we're going to fully retrace? I honestly think, especially with this 30-minute setup, that we can we could probably fully retrace. Right now, price is really going in my favor. Um, so yeah, just we might see resistance here, but it might be something that I bring, right? Start seeing some resistance, but look at the candles that we just made. A lot of buying, so I don't need to sell yet, but really good trade so far. Really good trade. Wow, that's really nice. And it's really just about being patient, right? Even my credit spread that I had in the morning, I probably could have held that one, but it's just being patient. I'm going to start taking profits soon, right? Because we're coming back to this high. I mean, just a really good trade. Really good trade. Yeah, let me start taking profits. I mean, I don't know. Let me let it keep riding up, right? Like, do we go back to the highs, right? Like, are we going to do that after this hammer? No, we got to have some type of selling. Let me take profits right there. Really good trade. Oh, my boy Mike. Yeah, did you take that trade with me, bro? All right, I'm gonna start taking profits with IWM. I put in the order. We're seeing some resistance right now on the 2 minute, but there she goes. I just got filled. Really good trade on IWM. Really good trade. you know. And that's what we want to do. That's exactly what we want to do. We just want to catch support, we want to catch resistance, and in a way I probably could have continued holding until we hit that new high, right? Like I definitely could have, you know. It's looking like I definitely could have, but we're okay with profit. Like I'm okay with taking profit. Ooh, but that's nasty. That hurts. That one hurts. I mean, just a simple trade, ABCD trade, like really good trade, right? Like we might see resistance here, and then if we fall back, we could probably fall back to 206. Maybe I could get into the next trade, but I mean, like, what can you? I mean, shit. you know, let, bro, it's interesting, right? Like just watching it shoot back up is just interesting, right? Like shit, you probably could have held. I love this setup as well. I have a root play, I have a RUT play, which is gonna help me with the profits. Um, NDX going my way, energy's going my way. Probably could have held this one more, but that's why I have the longer term trade. Um, but yeah, really good, really good trading right now. The credit spread, like, man, credit spreads are so tough, bro. Credit spreads are so tough, bro. Like, they actually are pretty annoying. RET is going in my favor now, but like, I mean, look at this shit. Look at it go. Right? Look at it go. I definitely could have held it. 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 Like nothing told me to sell right here. So like that's frustrating, but you can't be frustrated after a win. There's gonna be times in the market where I'm gonna be able to get back in. So yeah, I mean, that's what we do, but I definitely could have milked it more. That shit was A plus. I mean, look at it keep going, but I'll take a look at the markets. I'm in this trade long term, via RUT, but I mean, come on, right? Like we had that double bottom there. So this is gonna give me another chance to get in. I just need to be aware when it does. But really good first trade. Really good first trade. Let's see what the next trade is talking about. Like I mean, this one was, that one was simple. This one was textbook. Let's see where we retrace to, and then if I can take that trade again. Right. So, we're breaking out now. Wishing I held that credit spread, but sometimes you just because I'm not getting fucked again. I swear to God, that's not happening. But RUT is going in my favor, which is good. Um, and that credit spread is tough, bro. Like you gotta wait for those. You know what I'm saying? That shit was so simple, bro. Yeah, that trade was so simple. I'm wishing I held high key, bro. High key should have held the trade. You know. Damn, this shit going up, bro. Yeah, it is what it is. Maybe see some resistance at 207 and then probably drop back, but IWM is like the trade. I mean, this was a great trade. I really just should have held, honestly. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Yeah, I mean, this shit sound good, bro. Do it. Like this one, MSTR, I was in long term with this trade, right? Like, man, there's a couple of these names I was in. Tesla's another one, right? XLE's another one. Riot, Bitcoin, IWM is going up. My favor. I'm just sick. I sold that credit spread though. Like that's tough. That one's tough. That one's really tough, actually. But I mean, you gotta take the losses, right? But man, like, come on now. Like, you don't do that and then do that. So it's okay. Oh, trust me, it's okay. Tesla dropping. Let's see what the market's doing. Yo, this shit's going up, bro. Like, that is nasty. That shit is nasty. But look at what XLE's doing, right? XLE's going in my favor as well. So, like, we take the good, we take the bad. It is what it is. We just keep playing. You just stay in the game. You literally just stay in the game. XLE is a great trade right now. Look at NDX is finding some resistance. That one just gotta be careful. You know, XLE's that shit's looking like a great trade right now. Man, NDX, nigga, I'm not even gonna hold you. Credit spreads been getting on my fucking nerve lately, bro. So I'm be careful. XLE, I might start taking. I won't take profits now because look at the candle we just made, but definitely gotta be careful. Nigga, NDX, be careful, bro. IWM, I mean, this shit was a trade, bro. That 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 shit was a trade, bro. But fuck it. NDX is, like we're getting that pullback. XLE's firing off though. We like seeing that XLE, NDX back in my favor. Like, I'm just gonna retrace everything back. I'm gonna make more. I mean, IWM just going in my favor, right? Like that shit make that shit hurts sometimes, bro. Selling early hurts sometimes, but you deal with it. You just deal with it. You say fuck it, next play, next one, next one. I mean, bro, like the market's going up. The VIX isn't surviving. Bonds are getting bonds gapped up or about to fill the gap. Dollars going back up. That's okay. Look at energy. Love that. I might get back in energy, but this was a very good trade. Very good trade. I'm sizing up next time. Tight stop loss, bro. Like these A plus setups just size up. 'Cause, niggas can't fuck with me. Like I know what the fuck I'm doing. Them credit spreads hurt though. Like, bro, I can't stress that shit enough. This shit I could have held, bro. RUT seeing some love with the debit spread, but holding the single calls, bro. Nasty work. I don't know why the fuck I sold. Nasty work. But it's all right. We just got to find the next play. We just got to find the next play. You know, look at gold. Gold is finding some support. XLE. XLE wants to keep breaking out. Energy. This is 1, 2, 3. If this shit could break out, we could probably get back to this high. 83.54. You know what I'm saying? 83.54 type shit. Fill that gap. It's already starting to fill the gap. This is starting to be a really good day. Ooh, X, a really good day. Root is coming back. You know what I'm saying? Alibaba is just a bad trade right now. NDX, I guess. I'm not gonna hold that bitch for a long time. Like, it's just like it is what it is, bro. Like, you just gotta make money. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just gotta make money. You find a way to make money. You be patient. Look, all these shit's going in my way, bro. All these shits. Look at energy. My goodness, I love that. I trade energy well though. Like ooh, I can't be mad though. Let's look at well, I have to be happy because RUT is going in my favor, but I could have had the double dipper on that. Like, bro, look at what it's doing, bro. Look at what it's doing, bro. Man, that hurts, bro. That shit fucking hurts, bro. That shit makes me sick, bro. That shit makes me sick, physically fucking sick. But we know we could buy the next pullback because the next pullback will probably come to 206. That previous resistance. But man, that shit makes me physically fucking sick. Man, I don't even want. I don't even like looking at that. I don't even like looking at that. Uh, at least energy's doing well, but man, that shit hurts. Oh, that shit fucking hurts. That is actually annoying. I called it. I seen it. I seen it. That fucking credit spread. I'm telling you, I might just be done with credit spreads though. Like, bro, that hurts, bro. That shit physically fucking hurts. But very good trade. I need to buy that pullback. You know what I'm saying? And NDX credit spread's going my way though, so that's good. But this shit hurts, bro. Bro, that shit hurts. I'm not gonna lie. And thing is, like, it's not supposed to hurt, but like selling early hurts, bro. Man, that shit hurts. But it's good though, cause I'm gonna get a chance to get back into play. If we retrace back, let's see. But I mean, this shit's gonna keep breaking out, and it's just gonna keep hurting me. It's just gonna keep hurting me, bro. That shit hurts. Man, that shit physically hurts, bro. What the fuck? Man, that shit. Oh my god. But I mean, we're going. I'm not staying in this play for too long. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that shit right now. I'm not. But bro, I mean, come on, bro, come on, bro. Like, bro, come on, like, come on. Like, I played it. I ate from it. I'm still eating from it. RUT's gone my favor. Nigga, this one debit spread, bro. Like, come on, bro. Oh, I'm pretty sure that shit went though. You know what I'm saying? Look up. And that shit just makes it real again. Like, yeah, this is it. Like, yeah, no, like there is no games. Like, and that fucking debit spread, bro. Like, that fucking credit spread. That shit hurts. That shit hurts, bro. But it's gonna give me a chance to get back into play. If we retrace, let's see the Fibonacci. But bro, that shit hurts. Right? Like, if we come back to the 38, all right, maybe I get back in RUT. I definitely get back in RUT for a credit spread, perhaps. But because, yeah, I mean, like, we're gonna retake that level. I mean, bro, that's textbook, right? Like that's textbook. We gotta have some profit takers, right? I could get back in this. I'm not gonna get back in via credit spread though, right? I'm not gonna get back via credit spread. But like, yo, nigga, Mike is right. You gotta put the house on that type of trade, bro. You gotta put the house on that type of trade. But all right, if price can come back to this 38 level, let me set that alert. That's the only time I'll buy it. 23 retracement, I'm not gonna do it because it'll probably bounce off that five, right? But catch at the 9 EMA, way better, way better, way better. 206, 206.77, right? That's about yeah. That's around this EMA. You might have some buyers and shit, but man, this setup is really good. Setup is really good. Mara is something I was looking at as well. Bro, INW is just breaking out. Mara, MSTR breaking out. Bro, all these shits, man. Like, bro, all these shits are doing very well. All these shits are doing very well. Mara, like, you know, this is all lower lows and then bottoming out. Boom, shoot back up. IWM is just, this shit's just gonna keep breaking out. All right. My RUT debit spread is doing good. I'm just gonna keep holding that again, right? Like engulfing candle on the 4 hour. We filled the gap and gap up. Like, bro, we're going to 208, right? Like, yeah, we go to 208 today. I just want a better time to buy though, and the market will give me that. It's only 10:30, right? The market's gonna give me a better time to buy. You just gotta be patient. You just gotta be patient. You know. Starting to see resistance here. That's fine. Even this level, like the 23 retracement, we'll probably see some buying too, though. But we have the shooting star candle on the 5 minute. I like that, but bro, who knows, man? Like, yeah, bro, it's crazy because I caught the shit up too, bro. You love trading, you call it out, and then the shit happens. Like, that's just beautiful. Bro, there were a couple things on here I wanted to trade. MSTR, Coinbase was another one. Bro, Coinbase, why am I missing these? Coinbase was another one I wanted to trade, bro. 248. This shit gave me ample time too. By 10 o'clock, then this shit just ran up. But all these things gotta retrace, like they gotta come back. And once they come back, I'll be able to buy. I'll be able to get in it again. I mean, Coinbase too, right? Like, and if the markets go keep breaking out, then the markets go keep breaking out. IWM, this shit's not retracing much, bro. That fucking credit spread kills me. That shit kills me, though. I'm telling you, that shit kills me. That shit, like, bro, that shit kills me, bro. Like, that shit is kind of special, bro. Like, bro, that shit kind of special, bro. Let's see the overall market. Bro, that shit was traded a year, nigga. That trade was so good. TLT just filled the gap after this long ass candle, though. That's not a trade. VIX is finding some support. Q's is finding some resistance. Like I might start like, yeah, bro, 4-figure trade on that. Nike was another trade, right? Like, yo, all of these. You see, I got the alert. INW's not stopping, nigga. Yo, after this green candle, why would it stop? You know what I'm saying? And that's on the 30-minute. Like, why don't you just keep breaking out? Right? Like, do I play that breakout trade? Right? Like, INW is looking like a breakout. Nike was another one. Like, I got the alert on Nike. What's Nike doing? What's Nike doing? Look at what Nike's doing. This is nice on Nike. This is really nice. You know, bro, this is really nice on Nike. Do I take this trade? And we just broke out. This is nice on Nike. It's a breakout trade. I really don't like breakout trades, but nah, this like Nike's looking nice, right? Nike's looking okay, bro. Nike's looking okay. This will be a real breakout though, but I'm okay with this trade, bro. I'm okay with this trade. Yeah, well, the fact that it's taking so long to fucking execute. All right. IWM is still going. Like, if RUT keeps going, like, this trade is in so much profit right now. That credit spread just tears. Oh my God. That shit gets me fucking heated, though. And I can't still be mad about it, but god damn. That shit hurts. It makes me sick. It makes me physically fucking sick, bro. And INW's gonna keep breaking out. It's good for RUT, you know, because that's gonna keep breaking out. I just want a pullback, right? Like, you give me a nice pullback, I could buy again. QQQ, that's not giving me a nice. Well, I'm gonna hold the credit spread. SPY is flying, Q's is flying. Like, it's a good day in the market. I'd even check XLE. I'd even check XLE. Oh, I even check XLE. I even check XLE, nigga. I might take profit today. Like, bro, it's just a good day. And nigga, is that volume? This is volume here, taking profits. Taking profits, bro. I have to. I literally have to. It's such a good trade that you just have to. Took XLE profits. Gone mad. Why is RUT not moving? You motherfucker, you. Everything going up though. I should have held that shit. XLE going back up, right? Like, this is actually the time you buy more as opposed to take profits. IWM was the same thing. This is gonna keep breaking out. Like, does this keep breaking out? It's not a good entry. You know what I'm saying? It's not a good entry. But this isn't gonna retrace, right? This shit's not gonna retrace. It's breaking out. It's breaking out. You just gotta, I'm not gonna chase that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna chase that. I just gotta look for the next trade. But I mean, look at that. Nigga, we'd even retrace, not one bit. This shit never retraces. Maybe even, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't gotta sell it all at once. The shit's gonna keep breaking out. Look at Coinbase. It's gonna keep breaking out. It like the shit do make me sick though. Tesla was another trade that looked okay. But this shit was Tesla didn't look too good. It's the cryptos that are doing well right now. MSTR is gonna be doing well right now. Mara is gonna be doing well right now. IWM is gonna be doing well right now. Selling that credit spread hurts, bro. It makes me sick. It makes me physically fucking sick, he said. That shit makes me like, whoa. Uh-huh. Bro's eating. Think a spy might fly. Bro, the shit gonna fly, bro. Bro, the shit's flying. We fly high. No lie. Shit is flying. Shit is really flying. That trade, oh my, I can't keep dwelling on it. But yeah, we're right to the high. Like that's a milk, bro. That's such a good trade. Mm. But the market's gonna give us a chance to get back in these trades. It's just not now. Man, NDX, I am not like I'm gonna hold it because we're making a bear flag. I think my break even's like here. If we get that one push up, then my trade will be great. And it looks like we're getting that one push up. INW's flying. You know, see, we're gonna get that pullback. The credit spread you gotta hold, but we keep playing. You know what I'm saying? I sold my energy play. I had to like, I'm out of there, bro. Synopsis. How do Hey Google, how do I spell synopsis? Always on to the next play. I mean, bro, the INW trade was so good. NDX is looking so good. This song right here is so good, and it's only 10 o'clock. NDX gone in my favor. That's what we like to see. Let's fucking go, bro. You win the day. You win the day. You you win the day, bro. Like, yo, bro, that's all it is. I seen it. That nigga Meek said, I seen it. I seen it. Jealousy in the eyes. I swear that look was deceiving. Like, yo, I seen it. I called it. NDX is looking good. NDX is looking good. She said, oh, like Robin Hood. NDX looking fucking great. RUT looking fucking great. He said, I'm a godly man. Oh my God. Hey man, NQ's tough, boy. Boy, NQ tough, boy. Man, NQ tough, boy. Man, because I seen it, bro. I called it. I did the analysis. I mean, this was just an A plus setup, bro. Hisako Zobi-sama. I just need a chance to buy these pullbacks. IWM is going my favor, and it's still going my way. I seen it. I seen it. The jealousy in your eyes. That's what I look was deceiving. This market got to give me a chance, though. But I mean, bro, look at this. That's on the 5 minute NDX. All right. Look at Root. Bro, like, come on, dog. I seen it. I seen it. Yo, NDX. Whoo! But man, sold that shit way too early, brother. And I want full profit with NDX. I ain't gonna be greedy though. I seen it. I seen it. Like, yo, this shit too. I could be trading too, right? Like, yo, all that, bro. That fuck yeah, that one NDX, bro. MSTR, like, yo, all this shit was going up, bro. Like, yo, we're gonna see resistance there with NDX. JPM seeing resistance. Netflix, false breakout. You know what I'm saying? Apple trying to break. What's Microsoft? See, yo, Microsoft was it. Microsoft is looking like another trade, another potential trade, right? Let's see what Microsoft is doing. All right, let's see if we could. The market's going down too. Like, there are definitely better trades out there, but man, let's see what Microsoft is doing. Oh, CRM was looking good too. Let's see. I might see. We're gonna make these tops there. Microsoft ain't looking bad though, right? We're bouncing on the EMAs. We're looking like we go across. I have a tight stop loss, probably around like this level. Yeah, probably around like 1 point, and we just double bottom. Let's take this Microsoft trade. You know what I'm saying? Let's go big swingers. Yeah, and we just had the trend line break on Microsoft. Is this a good trade? On the 2 minute, what are we looking like? We're looking like we bottomed. Let's take this Microsoft trade. All right. Is this the best trade? Thank God, like price is shooting down now. Like, I don't know, because if we reject this level, we could keep going down, especially because Q's was going down as well. It's like that's a trade to avoid. CRM was another trade, but we're making new highs here. What I like with CRM, excuse me, I love this trend line break, and then I love that pop up. However, I'm not buying right there, right? Because that's just a breakout. Look at RUT and look at IWM. I mean, wow. Like, so I mean, let's continue. Let's continue. Microsoft was one. Like, is that Netflix was another one? Netflix is probably a better trade, especially because, Netflix are sort of making this double bottom. JP Morgan could potentially be a short, but I'm not shorting banks and small caps today because RUT is going crazy. CRM is just, going, Coinbase was another trade I should have taken. Amazon dropping, Nvidia just flying. So, can't do much about that. Tesla shot back up, right? Like, I can't do anything about that either. Netflix, I guess, but, maybe even Microsoft, to be honest, right? Like, is Microsoft still a trade? Let's see this on the 5 minute. It's not looking like the best trade there. I'm not gonna lie. Tesla looks nice. Tesla looked better. I was, Tesla looks better. Microsoft don't look bad, but I'm not gonna take that. Nvidia is shooting up, of course. Netflix, I'm not gonna take Netflix. Mm, Netflix isn't bad, but it's just a false breakout on volume with a nasty candle, making this spinning top right here, which isn't bad. I mean, like we like that actually. See, Netflix is a potential trade because I can have a tight stop loss as well. Probably take 3 points and then try to take it 5 points, but man, well, that's not good risk to reward, bro. While everything is breaking out too, look at Meta. Amazon is coming down. Google is just getting shitted on. Google's getting shit. Microsoft trying to do this bounce. I don't like Microsoft, to be honest. NDX going in my favor. Apple. Apple's not bad. Apple's not bad, actually. Look at Apple. Look at Apple. Amazon's getting shitted on. What the fuck? What's Q's doing? See, Q's is continuing to break out, but we have this resistance here at 526, which is where I might start to take profits. Um, Root isn't gonna give me a chance to buy again, so that could go fuck itself. Like Apple's not the worst, right? Because Apple we can have a tight stop loss. Apple doesn't look bad. Let's take Apple. Right, and then Apple's stop loss would be around here, and then let's see if I could take this back up a couple points. All right, let's get an Apple. Let's go 17 days out. Let's take Apple. So the thing with Apple, with this trade here, we'll have this stop loss below this low. And let's see if we can start pushing up here with Apple. So let's create this alert at or below. Another thing with Apple is we're bouncing. You see how all these EMAs are sort of converging? Is the MACD positive? The MACD is positive too. MACD is making a double bottom. On the 5 minute, we made this doji as well as this hammer. And now we're making this engulfing candle. And we had a trend line break. So with Apple, let me just see if I can continue to write this back up. Probably take this to 202.46, probably around like 50 points. And then my stop loss again will be around like 40 points. But I mean, if I could take this to the highs, even better, right? We just have to hope that the market goes in our favor. So I'll set another alert if this could break this level here. Because if we could break that level here, we could probably continue to go higher. Looking like a good trade right now. But again, right, we just go keep holding. Right, because this is just a day trade for me. Um, you see how like we made the new highs and then we retraced. After we retraced, we bottomed, and now we're shooting back up. So if this 5 EMA can continue to cross the 9 and the 20, I think Apple can really shoot back up again to that level. And yeah, we'll just we'll just see what happens. But price is going in my favor right now. I want to take some other pullbacks. Coinbase. I'm missing this IWM trade. Apple on the 4 hour. What is it telling me? Right? Like we just double bottomed here, gapped up, made new highs till 3, came all the way back down and filled that gap, the initial gap from the 22nd of May. And now we're trying to come back to those highs, which was 203.77. Right? So I could even take this to 203. Right? You see Apple already, coming. Apple already coming in. RUT coming in my favor. Alibaba doing its thing. What's Apple at? Apple, nice. Really nice. That dude said it makes me sick. It makes me physically sick. Like taking that loss in RUT was just didn't have to do it. You know what I'm saying? Like really just didn't have to do it. Could have held, but you know, I'm holding the debit spread, but you know, who cares what the fuck? Like the debit spread is 3 days to expiration. The credit spread was 0 DTE, which I would have ate like that day, but it's fine. Low key, that's why credit spreads could be dangerous sometimes, bro. Hella fucking dangerous. But Apple right now going in my favor. I'll just continue watching here. Um, right, so we're getting this 5 crossing the 9 and the 18. So, really good push up right now. Yeah, really nice for Apple. Again, right, like we might see some resistance around this level here, 203. But, so far for this gap up, like, yeah, bro, we'll definitely take that. You know what I'm saying? He said, I seen it. I seen it. Jealousy in your eyes. I swear that look was deceiving. And NDX, I'm gonna start taking profits soon, right? But after, I'm just gonna continue to milk, right? Like there's no reason to sell right now. Microsoft was another one that I was looking, you know. Microsoft was another one that I was looking at. But really good trade with Apple so far. Really good trade with Apple so far. And we'll just, bro, like that's how we're supposed to do it. You understand what I'm saying? Like you check out the market, you see the levels. We bounced off this piercing candle, right? This was the support, and now we're shooting to these highs, right? Do I sell here? Who knows, right? I don't think so. Where was the open? This was the open. Like, where can we take it? Where can the market take it? Right now, bulls are winning, so and we had this engulfing candle. It's definitely something that I continue to hold, right? And what's the price now? 202.28. I seen it. I seen it. Jealousy in your eyes. I swear that look was deceiving. Really good trade with Apple so far. What am I looking for? Really good trade with Apple. And that's why I'm not going to sell, right? Like, let the market decide when to sell. But right now, I'm looking for current plays, current trades. I sold energy. Energy was a good trade. I'm in RUT. Baba's doing like, yo, shit is going well today. And shit's going to go well every day if you win the day. Like, yo, XLE was another good trade, right? but we don't really care too much about that. We care about Apple. I seen it. I seen it. Jealousy in your eyes. I swear that look was deceiving. Like Apple's looking like a very good trade, right? Like again, we'll probably see some resistance here, right? But especially after this 5 minute candle, MACD's already above zero. This is something I just keep riding. You know, this is something I definitely just keep riding. I seen it. I seen it. A jealousy in your eyes. I swear that look was deceiving. And like even with this, let me like edit this one. Right? Let me save this one. This will be the options chain. Yo, Apple's looking like a very good trade. Like this is just a very good trade. Another bro, just another win. You know what I'm saying? Like just another win. You look at the market, you analyze the market, and then you make decisions. It's a beautiful thing. Honestly, like trading trading really is a beautiful thing, right? Like I'm gonna start taking profits soon with Apple because I think we're gonna have this resistance here, right? We already saw it with this first candle. Sellers came in, right? Sellers came in with this wick, but then buyers stepped up. But because sellers were in this wick, I already